This video answers the search, how to buy shares of Western New England Bancorp Inc. Western New England Bancorp Inc. is a regional bank serving customers across New England, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker WNEB. This is educational content and not financial advice. To buy WNEB, you need a brokerage account. I'll use eToro as the example platform. After registering, you'll need to verify your account, usually by submitting an ID, and you must add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker WNEB to find the correct listing. Confirm you select the NASDAQ entry that matches Western New England Bancorp. On the stock page, check the basic company description and the price chart to confirm it is Western New England Bancorp Inc. Make sure the ticker shows WNEB and the exchange is NASDAQ. To invest, click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to purchase, review order details and any fees, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before finalizing. After execution, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For the same step-by-step link, check the description below.